Hey everybody, so I got a new electric rototiller to share today. Pretty much the only thing to put together was the handle, and it was pretty much ready. This one does have a wider base compared to some of the other little electric ones. And this one is still lightweight. So there is a little pin. You can pull that, and then you can adjust the wheels for different depths. We have our little trigger to start it here, and then there is a little safety button. And then of course, where we plug it in. Now I'm working on clearing up this area, and I'm going to plant some fresh grass and everything. So I am going to do a quick demo over here in partial grass, partial dirt. All right, let's go ahead and try this. Yeah, seems to have a decent amount of power. Wow, that actually works really well. All right, so I'm going to say for an electric rototiller, this actually works really well. I mean, your results will vary depending on how hard and compact your dirt is. I have pretty soft dirt here, but I had no problem chewing up the dirt or even the grass on top of the dirt. Overall, for being electric, has a decent amount of power, works pretty well. It's a little wider than some of the other electric ones, and I do like this one. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly rototiller for your gardens this year, maybe this might be the one for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.